Welcome to Troop Enterprises Incorporated. We would like to welcome you and look forward to guiding you through the path of our Organizational Systems Blueprint or OSB Plan roadmap. Let's get started, shall we? Step 1 is the executive summary. This provides a concise overview of your entire business plan. It should include a summary of your primary life goal, purpose-driven business vision, key strategic objectives, and a brief overview of your courses and how they align with the OSB Method's core pillar system. Step 2 is the mission and vision. Let's talk about the key points for that. So you want to start by defining your primary life goal and explaining how it aligns with your business vision. You also want to describe the personal fulfillment you seek and how your business will contribute to achieving it. And finally, you want to emphasize the purpose-driven nature of your vision, highlighting the core values and mission that inspire your business's direction. Now we're on step 3, market analysis. Those key points are conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience, their needs and preferences. You also want to analyze your competitors, identifying their strengths and weaknesses. And finally, you want to be able to explain how the OSB method addresses the unique needs of your target market, setting your course apart from other offerings. Let's move on to step 4, which is systemize. First, we want to describe the efficient systems you plan to implement within your organization, and also explain how these systems will streamline processes, eliminate redundancies, and optimize workflows. And finally, we want to highlight how the OSB method's pillars will be applied to your course development and delivery. Step 5 is strategic objectives. You want to set clear and measurable goals for your organization using the SMART criteria. We also want to define specific milestones and targets you aim to achieve with your courses. And finally, we want to discuss how your strategic objectives align with the OSB method's focus on achieving long-term success and organizational excellence. The last step on this slide is step 6, which is let's get organized. Here we're going to outline strategies for decluttering physical and digital spaces to improve organization. We want to describe how you will optimize time management and establish efficient workflows for course creation, marketing, and customer support, and also emphasize the importance of this pillar in creating an environment conducive to productivity and success. Step number 7 is products and services. These will provide a comprehensive description of the product or service you will offer based on the OSB method's core pillars. We'll also explain how each product or service addresses specific organizational challenges and helps individuals and businesses achieve their goals. And finally, it will highlight the unique benefits and transformational potential of your courses. Step number 8 is effective management. This will discuss the critical role of leadership and management in your business's success. It will also highlight the qualities and skills necessary for effective leadership, communication, and team collaboration. And we will also explain how you will empower your team to contribute to the success of your courses and your organization. Step number 9 is team building. This will give a detailed approach to recruiting, developing, and motivating talented individuals who align with your vision and values. And also will explain how you will foster collaboration, trust, and accountability within your team to create a high-performing and resolute workforce. Step number 10 discusses marketing and sales strategy. This will outline your marketing plan to reach your target audience effectively. It will also describe the channels, platforms, and strategies you will use to promote your product or service and attract customers, and will also discuss your sales strategy and how you will convert leads into paying customers, emphasizing your high conversion rate. Step number 11 is financial projections. This will provide detailed financial forecasts, including sale projections, anticipated expenses, and projected profits, as well as explain the pricing strategy for your product or service and how you will maintain profitability, and discuss your funding requirements and how you will manage your finances for sustainable growth. Our last step on this slide is step number 12, which is implementation plan. This will create a comprehensive timeline and set milestones for the implementation of your business plan. It will assign responsibilities to team members and clarify roles to ensure a smooth execution, and also build the steps to launch and scale your business effectively. We've reached our last 3 steps. So step 13 is risk analysis. Here we will identify potential risks and challenges your business may face and provide a contingency plan for each. We will also discuss how you will mitigate these risks and protect your business's interests. And finally, we will address any concerns related to the competitive landscape, market changes, or external factors that could impact your success. Step 14 is our conclusion. This will summarize the key points of your business plan and reiterate your commitment to using the OSB method's core pillars to achieve organizational excellence, and also express your enthusiasm and confidence in the success of your course selling business. Finally, step 15 is the appendix. This will include any supporting documents, market research data, competitor analysis, sample course materials, or other relevant information that complements and validates the content presented in the main sections of the business plan.